Hi everyone, we are live, and first of all, I'm going to go over the earnings for yesterday. This is from YouTube AdSense and affiliate marketing on YouTube and affiliate marketing with Google Ads and Parasite SEO affiliate marketing on Reddit and via a few of my websites. So yesterday's earnings were $1,452. That is pretty much above average, which is really good. Things in the fourth quarter are usually a lot better in affiliate marketing. We get higher amounts of commissions because of the Black Friday sales and the Cyber Monday. On average, most days, like if I average out over a month, the average income is about $800 or $900 a day. So that is getting close to double a normal day. So that's really good. That was some big juicy commissions that came in. And also I have a couple of Reddit comments that are ranked on the first page of Google, and they contain affiliate links, and they are printing me a lot of money at the moment. The great thing about Parasite SEO is that once it's ranked, it's free. If you don't know what Parasite SEO is, it's just where you're posting articles on Medium, LinkedIn, and Reddit using a keyword research tool like Ahrefs to find low-hanging fruit, like simple keywords that you can easily rank for that don't have a lot of competition, but they do have a lot of monthly searches. And I use a AI writer called Koala Writer, and I use AI to write the articles, and then I go through and I edit the articles by hand, make them look more human, put some better images in them. But the majority of that income that I just said, that was $1,452. The vast majority of that is coming from Google Ads campaigns. And for that entire day, I would have spent about $280 on ads. So I'm getting many X return on the money. If you want to see any of the in particulars, especially the stuff that I'm doing on YouTube, I do have a private community that you can join. I leave the link to that private community in the description of all these videos, and I go into a lot of the technical details. Now, a few new things that I'm trying out. I'm building a brand new YouTube channel from scratch where I'm just doing reviews of AI software tools. I'm about 9 or 10 videos in, and I've already made a commission, which is really good. The views are quite low, but I have done the right video SEO. So a lot of them are ranking. I expect them to get some free traffic basically over the next few months. And hopefully the plan is that I'm going to build that channel up to 50 videos, all within really similar niche. And we'll sit on that for a little while and see how much money that earns, especially in affiliate commissions, because if you've watched my YouTube Profits Masterclass, which is for free if you get into the private community, it's like a 3-hour course, you will know that you can make about 10 times as much money with affiliate marketing than you can from the YouTube AdSense. One little thing that I wanted to show you this week, and I've also started another channel, like a separate one, where I'm focusing on trying to, I've never built a YouTube channel. I've had a lot of success on YouTube, but I've never built one that's gone above 100,000 subscribers. I have about 5 channels on average. They have between 30,000 and 60,000 subscribers, and all of them earn quite well. But the reason I have lower subscriber count is I've never pushed to get subscribers, and all of the content is very niche. So it's sort of like, medium to low search volume, and I'm aiming to just rank in the search rather than go viral. So I came across this guy called Mike Chamberlain, and he actually built up a YouTube channel in 30 days to 1 million subscribers, and that's completely using YouTube Shorts. Now, I have built a TikTok up to 250,000, and I have built a second TikTok up to 60,000. So basically all I'm going to do is replicate what I've done on TikTok and try and do it for YouTube Shorts. This is purely for fun because I'd really like to have a silver play button just to hang on my wall. Since I've been doing YouTube for so long, it's a bit crazy that I've never actually tried to get a silver play button or a gold play button. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm going to be trying out, just go check out this Mike Chamberlain. You can just type him in. You'll find him. This is his channel where he teaches how he does it. I'm just basically been copying what he's doing, and I've had a couple of YouTube shorts get quite a few views, more than normal. I haven't had one go viral yet. So if you want updates, if you want to see behind the scenes, look over my shoulder about me building these projects, you just join the private community. Yes, it's a paid community. It's only $59 a month, which is very cheap for the amount of value that you get in there, since you get access to all my courses. And that will be going up to $99 at the end of this year. So that's about all I've got to report today. If you have any questions about any of this, leave a question in the comments as always, and I will review any comments in the next video. I haven't really gotten many comments on the first couple of videos in this series where I'm trying to increase my passive income to $100,000 a month. But there has been some interest, and some people have already joined the private community, which is really great. Apologies for not putting out many videos this week. I've been moving house. You may see the background changing a little bit. So there were a few days without internet and a few other little hurdles to get over, but I should get back to posting daily in this series. The goal with this series is to figure out a way that I can 5x my income from where it is currently. My passive income online is about $20,000 a month. So we're trying to build that up, and if I can have more days like I did yesterday, that's going to be very easy. So I'll be working very hard, and I'll be providing content showing you over my shoulder how I'm going to do that. If you want to see that, like this video, subscribe, and comment yes if you'd like to learn more. All right, thank you, and I'll see you next time.